Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are not, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that like button, go on ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload new content. In this video, we will be making cheese stuffed garlic naan bread, so let's get right into it. You will start by adding to a small bowl 2 tablespoons of warm water and 1 teaspoon of sugar. You sprinkle the 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast on top. You cover and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it's fluffy and bubbly. Your yeast will now be alive and proved. In a large mixing bowl, you want to add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/3 cup of plain yogurt, 2/3 cups of warm water, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and the proof yeast. Using a stand mixer fitted with the hook attachment, I mix just until the dough comes together, and then I place it on the counter and knead for an additional minute. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a rubber spatula or a wooden spoon to bring the dough together. And then you can do the same, put it on the counter and knead by hand by folding it for an additional minute. You can see that I will be kneading it by hand. Once you are done, you want to transfer the dough to an oiled bowl and cover with saran wrap and then a warm damp towel. Set your dough in a warm place and let it rise until it is doubled in size. After my dough has proofed, I punch it down and then I place it on my counter to divide it into 7 or 8 equal portions, 8 for smaller pieces and 7 for larger. I take each portion of dough and I spread it out just a little bit, and then I add some shredded mozzarella cheese and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan in the center. Once I'm done, I bring the edges together and seal tightly into a ball. I then roll it out as thin as possible without tearing it until it is thin and wide. I heat up an iron skillet with a little bit of ghee or vegetable oil, and I place the pan over medium heat. Once it's hot, I drop one in at a time. I cook on one side until it is golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes. I flip over and cook on the other side for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. I transfer to a tray and then I repeat with the rest of the dough. In a microwave safe bowl, you add 1/4 cup of unsalted melted butter, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and chopped cilantro. I add that to the bread once it comes out of the skillet, and it just melts inside and gives it such good flavor. Alright, that's it guys. This naan bread is so delicious. I paired it with some homemade butter chicken. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see how I make a quick butter chicken. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.